The Adani stock crisis. Good day, and welcome to this report on the Adani stock crisis. Adani Group is a large conglomerate company based in India, with interests in various sectors, including energy, infrastructure, and ports. However, recently, the Adani Group has been in the headlines for all the wrong reasons. Over the past few weeks, the Adani Group shares have been in free fall, with some of its listed companies losing over 40% of their value. The reason for this sudden decline in the stock price is a bit of a mystery, but it is widely believed to be linked to concerns about Adani's dealings with foreign investors and its connection with the Indian government. The report claimed that these companies were artificially boosting the value of their ports and power transmission businesses, which were acquired from the Adani Group's privately held companies. The allegations prompted the Securities and Exchange Board of India to launch an investigation into Adani's companies. The market reacted sharply, and Adani Group's shares plummeted. Several foreign funds that had invested in Adani's companies also started selling their shares, exacerbating the stock market rout. Adding to Adani's troubles, reports surfaced that the National Securities Depository Limited, which manages India's central securities depository, had frozen the accounts of 3 of Adani's foreign funds. The move was reportedly due to a lack of clarity on whether the funds were beneficially owned by Adani or not. The Adani Group has denied any wrongdoing and called the allegations baseless. It has also stated that its companies have complied with all regulations and disclosures required by the law. The group's founder, Gautam Adani, has also issued a statement assuring investors that the company has a robust governance framework and that it would cooperate with regulators to resolve any issues. The Adani Group is one of India's biggest and most influential companies, with interests in several key sectors. The recent stock market crisis has raised concerns about the stability of India's financial markets and the country's reputation as a place to invest. IT has also raised questions about the role of the government in supporting private companies and whether there is enough transparency in corporate governance. In conclusion, the Adani stock crisis has sent shockwaves through India's financial markets and raised serious questions about the country's corporate governance framework. While the Adani Group has denied any wrongdoing and has promised to cooperate with regulators, the crisis has highlighted the need for greater transparency and accountability in India's private sector. Thank you for listening.